So, we're the SpareBots team and we'll be demonstrating Dolibarr's main features and how to easily set up an ERP system using this software. Firstly, you'll need to decide which modules you're interested in using, and you can select them by simply checking these boxes. The next important step is introducing your company's information in the system. In this form, you'll be able to enter all the information required to manage your company, as well as deciding if VAT will be used or not. To change anything in the future, just click on the Modify button located at the bottom of the page. You have already selected the modules you will be working with, but you may need or want to customize their features, so here's how to do it. Click on the setup symbol of the module you want to customize and simply turn off or on any feature or introduce input and save it by clicking on the Modify button. It's important to mention, the system won't save anything if you don't click it. You can always move your mouse icon above the Info button to get more information about or how to use a specific feature. So these were the most important steps to set up your ERP system. All modules are easily accessed by clicking on the respective logo on the top of the page. We'll start with the Home module. In the Home area, you'll find a summary of your company's schedule, statistics, stock alert, and lots of other very useful information. The Work Tasks board is particularly useful to quickly assess if a task's due date is near, and the system will let you know by using this small danger sign. Go to Third Parties. In this module, we have the Customers, Prospects, and Suppliers directory. It's possible to see every third party associated with our company here, in this table, and quickly know how they are distributed in the Statistics section. It's quite simple to create a new third party. Just click New Third Party on the left menu and fill in your new third party's information. It's very important to select correctly the type of third party it is. It can be a prospect, client, a customer, both, or neither. Fill in the information as carefully as possible, since it will appear in all invoices and you want everything organized and easy to understand. When it's done, click Add Third Party and your new third party will appear at the top of this list. By clicking on it, you'll have access to the third party's company information, as well as a summary of all commercial transactions between your company and this third party. It's even possible to add an order or an invoice or credit note right here. To make changes, just click on the Modify button located here. Let's go to the Projects module. This module allows users to create new products and manage existing ones, as well as handling all shipping issues and existing stock. In the product area, we can see all products, finished ones and raw material, and the statistics associated with each default category, obsolete, available, and products for sale and purchase. Creating a new product is quite simple. By clicking on the New Product button, users are redirected to the New Product page, where it's possible to introduce information about a specific product, including its reference, stock limit alert and desired stock, nature, whether it's a manufactured product or raw material, dimensions, selling price, as well as defining the type of tax rate associated with the product. After filling in all the information and clicking the Create button, the new product is entered in the system. As mentioned before, it's possible to use Dolibarr to manage product stock levels. As seen in this table, the summary presented is very useful. We can see the physical stock for each product and know whether it's time to reorder or produce a certain product or new material, or if the stock level is close to its desired level. By clicking movements, users can physically track stock units by date, see shipments, orders received, among others. It's important to mention that in order to have the stock management feature working, it's necessary to create at least one physical warehouse, which can be done by accessing the stocks category in the left menu, choosing the new warehouse option and filling in the information regarding the building itself. The configuration of the setup module is crucial. The system operates according to a specified set of rules determined by the user in the Setup section. These rules manage stock decrease, increase, requirements and replenishment. The selection method itself is simple, since users only need to select yes or no to activate a specific rule. However, the selected rules must make sense in the theoretical point of view. This means the determined options for each rule can't interfere with each other or the system won't work properly. Managing shipments using Dolibarr is quite intuitive. In the shipments area, we can see customers' orders to process and review each order and shipment individually. The shipping cards provided are very useful. Each one contains all information related with the order, its status, and it's even possible to access and create PDF files that represent real invoices. Let's go to the commercial module. In this module, members can draft and later validate commercial proposals and customers and supplier orders. The customers area provides a summary of all drafts and tasks completed, including very specific details regarding the status of each proposal or order. You can also see useful information with the statistics feature. Creating a new proposal or order is as intuitive as in other modules, since it's done by clicking the new button in each category. As seen here in the customer or supplier order creating page, the process is simple. It's important to select the appropriate payment term, as well as making sure the payment type makes sense considering the available options. The financial module is a bit limited since it doesn't allow users to keep all financial records of their business. Nevertheless, it has many useful features, such as the creation of customer or suppliers' invoices, the billing of orders, and the payment of employer salaries. The invoices are very well organized and users have easy access to all relevant information related to each invoice. It's also possible to create invoices in this module. It's done by clicking New Invoice, selecting the type of invoice, the payment term and payment type. By creating a draft, it can later be validated and included in the system. Let's go to the Bank and Cash module. In this module, users can easily manage the company's balance, create new financial accounts, and keep track of all monetary transactions associated with internal payments and commercial ones. Creating a new financial account can be done by clicking the New Financial Account option in the left menu, selecting the account type, desired currency, and initial balance. It's also possible to activate levels for the balance, minimum allowed and minimum desired. After a new account is created, members can easily choose it when making or receiving payments and conducting other operations. Dolibarr provides its users with other useful modules, including the Projects module, which allows the management of different projects and tasks, the Human Resources module for booking employers' holidays, work-related trips and associated expenses, the Members module for managing members and subscriptions, and the very useful Documents module, where users can benefit from an organized way to access all documents created, invoices, commercial proposals, etc. Finally, the agenda is also quite useful in aiding Dolibarr users in the management of events and tasks associated with a specific project. We hope this presentation was useful. Thank you for watching.